Alright guys, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to pair the K10 hands-free Bluetooth headset. Now, if you have a headset that's quite similar to this, and it has this call button right here, then this is pretty much the right video for you, because the way this thing goes into pairing mode, and the purpose of this video is to pair this headset with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, which I'll show you in a minute here. But I just want to go over this so you understand what's going on here. So assuming that your headset is completely off at the moment, what we're going to do is go ahead and long press that same talk button here. We'll hold it down while it's off. So while it's off, we'll long press it, and we won't let go until it lights up and enters into pairing mode. The pairing mode is the blue-red flashing lights. And again, if your headset is the same thing or similar to this, you'll go ahead and long press that same button here. Give me a second here, let me focus that there. So we'll hold that down now, and you'll see it light up. See how it lights up, but don't let go until it does that. So once it does that, let it go. You'll see the blue-red flashing lights, which is the kind of the standard for Bluetooth headset that's similar to these. They go into pairing mode first in order for them to actually pair with your Note 10 or any other phone in general speaking. So what we're going to do now is we'll go into the settings here, and then we'll go to where it says connections, then we'll go to where it says Bluetooth. So as we enter into the Bluetooth, we'll turn that on, and then it will start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. You'll see that it's searching, and then you'll see K10 as the headset. So mine is the K10 version, yours may be a bit different, but once you see it, just go ahead and tap on it. You'll know the name of your headset by reading the guide. Okay, and then once it's connected, you'll see it says connected for calls and audio. It'll tell you the battery life, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully it was helpful in some way, even if it's a different headset that you may have. But other than that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.